Welcome to People in Legal.
Nice to meet you. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. Welcome, and pleasure to have you on. Tell us a bit about your journey and what you're part of our fantastic international audience. Welcome to London.
Yeah,
How are you finding it?
I like it.
Yeah.
The weather is nice.
Yes.
I mean, not so much worse than Hamburg, so
Sure.
I'm good.
Yeah, tell us about your journey, how you became a lawyer.
Yeah, so I had my bachelor in Argentina
Yeah.
back then.
Yeah.
And then after a while, I decided to move to Barcelona.
Yes.
I got into the crypto industry. So
Wow.
I became an in-house lawyer for a really big company in the crypto industry. And then I wanted to move to consultancy and became more specialized in legal transformation. And that's what I'm doing right now in Hamburg, Germany.
Fantastic.
So,
Fantastic. And you've come all the way from Hamburg to London. What have you found most enjoyable about the LegalTechTalk? I mean, I know it's a very big event.
Amazing.
What have you found so interesting?
It's my first time here. So overall, I think the event is just amazing. Like to find people that are actually on the same page than you.
Yes.
And also for me, it was figuring out how the market is looking like, what people are talking about. And amazingly, I think the DACH region is pretty ahead, like Germany, Sweden, Denmark. Well, of course, US. And I'm saying that because I come from Argentina again, and this is not so much the discussion, right? So we are a bit ahead. And I like that. To see we are having the right discussions.
Yeah, some of the commentators, such as myself, who are based in the UK, we tend to really not look outside. So it'd be interesting to hear that perspective that we're actually quite ahead on some of the events. And are you finding that the vendors here or the exhibitors, are they addressing the European market? Do they have any offerings that cater for the European market?
I think most of them are UK based, so I wouldn't say like proper European market.
Sure.
But I do find to be interested, like some of them I heard they are like, I mean, Sweden has become, like a really unicorn hub for some weird reasons I don't really understand, but that is really present. And also I think we are seeing more like this expansion, this global approach of all the vendors. So, although they are not in your market, they will tell you like, okay, but we can get
there. Yeah.
And I think that is going to be happening more and more often with the consolidation of like these big firms instead of like really custom and little solution based. So I think they are open for it. So,
And in Europe, do you find there's I used to work with a guy who is now in data and AI sovereignty, and about European companies owning the tools or using a European supplier for mission critical tools. Does that reflect in your work? Is there a demand for that?
Actually, I'm doing a research specifically on like build and buy decisions. Because I actually think that the discussions, although we have a lot of offers, and now here you get like really leading position people getting in contact with these tools. I think there is first a batch between what is offered and what the people are willing to take and willing to educate on and what they are actually can use. There's a batch there. I think there is too much offer for people that do not have a technical background. I do, so I cannot get it. But also the build and buy decision, it's so hard to actually like understand what is in the back of these vendors if you don't have a technical background. So they all seem like super complex and I mean, it's not that they are not, and they are not amazing. I just think there are like really amazing solutions here, but it's just like, I think there is a batch there, and to really understand, like, do I really have to compromise myself with another vendor, or can I just do it myself, by coding tools, open source stuff? There's really like amazing things out there. But I do think there's this batch still. So we have a generation of super like leading profiles and well-positioned people that are the decision makers. But then they don't have the really technical skills to get these decisions fully like substantial.
So are you qualified in both? Are you qualified?
I'm trying to be there. I'm trying to be in the gap, yes. But still, I wouldn't say I don't have the call. So I still rely on management, and the change management is a big topic also. So but this conference is actually like give me a lot of hope that there is this attention there, the importance and the need for it is recognized, and we have a lot more people. So happy for it.
Fantastic. And what and in your role and in your firm, what are the key considerations for technology adoption for the next 12 months, 6 to 12 months?
I think from the consultancy side, you always have to put like the client first, and I think we all recognize that. I've heard that here in a lot of talks, which I'm really happy for, because it's not that you're trying to sell whatever, you're just really listening the pain points and not trying to, get the customer to buy like 20 different licenses. It's just like arranging some things, maybe even clearing like workflows and where the data is hosted, where you have it, how do you use this, and that's it. It's not that complex. I mean, I love AI, of course. I mean, I'm here, but I don't think we need to really jump directly to AI. There are so much like easier things, and even deterministic. Like you don't have hallucinations at all if you're generating an NDA with like automated tools, and there are people that are still not there.
Yeah, something close to my heart. Yeah.
Although like everything here, it's super amazing. I think we are lacking really like baseline topics still. So I think.
So there's still a lot of gap before you even get there.
Yeah. I mean, usually when I get to talk to our clients and we are addressing what their real problems are, we go really like baseline, and that is where you get these quick wins, super fast. Because it's like we just arrange the data, and then they are like, whoa, how you did this? And it's like not even AI. You didn't pay like one token. It's just like rearranging and clearing up what you were doing.
And sometimes you already have the app.
You already have everything. It's just like, it's super messy. Nobody has the time, like doing this extra mile while you are actually doing, I've been doing like legal counseling for a while. And I know that doing this after your work, it's impossible. You never get to it. It always ends up being like version 200 of the same document on a random folder, it's not doable. So,
Fantastic. Well, you staying in London for the weekend, or are you heading back?
No, I'm staying just one more day, see Celia a little bit, and head back to Hamburg.
Awesome.
Where we'll have proper rain.
Thanks very much for your time.
Thank you.
Pleasure having you on the podcast. Thank you.